Hello everyone, this printer is Epson EcoTank ET-2950. What I want to do is to show you how to set this printer up. We're going to connect it to a Wi-Fi network from the control panel. Also show you how to add this to your computer. What you need to do is, once you get to the menu, use right arrow button, go all the way to the settings. So select the settings, select OK. Then scroll down to network settings. Select OK to network settings. It will show you print status sheet. Scroll down to Wi-Fi setup. Select OK to proceed. It will show you Wi-Fi direct, easy connect via an app. So select Wi-Fi, then you select OK to proceed. You can print wirelessly from computer and devices via Wi-Fi. Then you select OK. Wi-Fi setup wizard or push button setup or others. So select Wi-Fi setup wizard, select OK. So it's going to search for SSID, wireless router, within the environment where the printer is situated. So it's searching for SSID and the network is found. Once you find the network, then you select OK. Asks you to enter password. So I'm going to enter the password. To enter the password, you need to use up or down or side arrow button to go to specific character. Once you select the particular character, then you select OK. It will record. Then you go to the next. If you want to select uppercase, you need to scroll down to select A1 and hash. Once you select on it, select OK. It will bring a character to uppercase. Then you select specific one. To lower the uppercase, you need to select A1 and hash. Select it again. It will lower the case to 1, 2, 3. Then select it again. You go to lowercase. So once you put the password finish, you need to select OK to submit. Go all the way to the end and select OK. Then it will show you setting up. Setup complete. Then you select OK. Then you go back to the home page. Then it will show you a new firmware update. Then you select OK. Current version update. Then you select OK. Select OK. Then update will take about several minutes. Then you select OK if you want to update the printer. Then you select OK. Preparing to update. Then it will show you customer research. Then you go back. So this is how to connect this printer to a network. Then the next thing to do is, if you want to add it to your computer, what you need to do is you need to go to your laptop start, go to the settings, select printers and scanners, add a device. So it's going to search for available printer, Epson ET-2950 series, printer and scanners. Then you need to add this printer. It will show you connecting. You need to wait until it shows you ready. The printer is showing us ready. Select on the printer. It will show you that the printer is idle. Select print test page. So it's printing a test page to confirm that the printer and computer both are connected together. Windows printer test page. You have correctly installed your Microsoft IPP class driver on laptop. Windows x64 Epson EcoTank 2950 series. So this is a test page to confirm that the printer and laptop are connected together. If you want to scan document, select Scanner Settings, open Scanner. So the printer is picked up. Put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner. So take the document, put it on the glass scanner face down, and make sure the document starts from the bottom right. This is A4 paper, close the cover. This is Windows scanner. So the printer is picked up. Source. Can scroll down to select flatbed or leave it auto-configured. File type, scroll down to select PDF. Select Show More. Save file to document, select on the document. Then select document on your laptop where you want to save the file. Select Folder. Then select Scan. So the document is scanning. Scanning. To view this document, select View. This is the document we scanned. To print it out, select Ctrl P. Go on the right side and select Correct Printer. Select More. Look for the printer from the list. ET-2950 series. Then you select All. Select number of copies and also select color. Then select More. Select the size and quality. 300 dpi selected. Remove print on both sides, so fit to printable area, then select Print. This document is just a single page. You have option to print two-sided if you like. This is the document we printed out, single page. We scanned this document and printed it out. So this is how to connect the printer from the control panel, then add it to your computer and also scan document. Please, while you are here, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.